I joined Business Made Human because I realized that in order to continue to grow as a business owner, I needed to keep growing as a person. And that's what Business Made Human is all about. It's a place to bring all of yourself as a person, as a business owner, and to grow as both. And I look forward to that process continuing.
I created the Business Made Human Mastermind community to help therapists really build a private practice that they love and also become the business owner that they always imagined. I know what it's like to feel lost and confused and trying to balance all of these different parts of life and business while also trying to show up for the most important parts of your life. So I help therapists just like you build a profitable private practice while also living a healthy, balanced life.
I have been in Business Made Human for about a year now, and it has utterly transformed how I conduct my business. I went from being a clinician who is doing a great job as a clinician to being of the mindset to be a clinician and a business person. The profitability of my company has expanded. It's doubled, almost tripled at this point, and I've been able to set goals for my next year of business that are super exciting and inspiring.
Business Made Human works so well because ultimately every group member understands that it's about the relationships within the group that make it work. It's the relationships between group members that are ultimately so powerful, so transformative. Meeting virtually every week is fantastic. It's so important to have that regular contact. But a experience like this, a live event, it's hard to put words to. It's accelerating that process of getting to know other group members in a way that simply isn't possible over a virtual meeting, over text, or even over the phone. And having this live event has done just that. There's an intimacy now that I know is going to be present in the group moving forward.
In Business Made Human, you can learn not only the tactics and strategies to grow and scale your private practice, but you're also going to be designing a business that really fits into and enhances your life. Head to privatepracticeworkshop.com to learn more and to apply now.